Hello and welcome to Webster's Woodworking Workshop. I've got this design that I've done in Carveco Maker. I'm not claiming it's an original design. I'm sure I've seen it somewhere or something similar somewhere, and it's just stuck in my mind. But I've produced this. Basically I've got a load of clip art free off the internet, downloaded it, put it together, and this is what I've come up with. So it's been a while since I've done a video. A few things have changed. I have thrown a cabinet together, very basic cabinet. I used to watch the YouTube videos and think, well, why have they got a cabinet around their CNC machine? Once you cut a few jobs, you realise it just throws dust and chips everywhere. So keeping the workshop clean is a bit of a task. So I've thrown a basic cabinet together, just really to contain the dust. Like I say, it just makes cleanup a lot easier. I had some LED lights that I had over from another job, so I've thrown them under there. I've also marked an origin point here where I like to start my jobs from. This is 40mm in from the X and Y from the home position where it is now. So I did a macro in UGS. I'll do a video showing how to create a macro in UGS in case it's of any use to anyone. I've also done a center point here where I can also use, if I'm doing a piece of square material, I can find the center of it quite easily. I've got a bit in my machine. I'm all ready to go. This is the bit. So I'll just stick my piece down and yeah, we'll get on with it. So material stuck down, machine's in the home position. I think that's it, we're all good to go. Turn around, we're on. Okay, that's it, job done. Seems to cut okay. Just need to peel it up off the off the bed of the machine now. A bit apprehensive about that because I plastered it in double-sided tape, and as the material's quite thin, I think that could be a bit of a challenge, but it doesn't look like it's cut all the way through, to be honest, so we'll see how that goes. So as I suspected, it hadn't cut all the way through, so I had to do a lot of trimming with a knife, cut all those bits out, did a bit of sanding to get rid of any fuzzy bits. Takeaway is cut a bit deeper, schoolboy error, but the idea in principle I think is a good one, and I'll make some more in the intended 6mm MDF. So the idea is obviously that you dangle a bauble in this area here, and it stands up with the stand. Obviously this won't stand up properly because it's only 3mm and it's cut for a 6mm piece of timber. Well, that's the idea. Looks quite good. Quite happy with that. Well, that's it for another video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe, ring the bell, then you get notified of any future videos. And it's always nice to hear from you. Drop us a comment. Let me know how you think I'm doing. If you've got any questions. Okay, see you soon. Bye now.